Have you ever seen an advertisement on a bus stop bench? How many times have you called the number printed on the seat? How many times have you clicked on an eye-catching Instagram page? How many times have you searched for a restaurant on your phone? The answers to the first question and the following ones probably differ by a lot, don't they? That's because today's consumers do everything online. In other words, your business needs an online presence, which you can gain with digital marketing. Let's review the marketing techniques that you should implement today. Your website. The cornerstone of your internet presence, your website, and your digital communication methods. Your website acts as two things for you in the world of digital marketing techniques: a landing page for details about your business and your platform for content marketing. We'll get to content marketing later. For now, let's focus on how to market your website the best you can. Search engine optimizing your website is key to good marketing techniques. First, make sure your URL is straightforward and easy to remember. When designing your pages, be sure to name them all, create descriptions for them, and include metadata. When writing content for your site, don't forget to use anchor links. For instance, if you have a shop, you can link to that shop in your content conversationally. Email marketing. Email marketing is used by 82% of companies today. Are you among them? It's a surefire way to turn leads into customers and keep customers loyal. The most important thing about email marketing is making sure you're providing good content to those on your mailing list. Give them a great reason to become and remain a subscriber. Local SEO. Local SEO is the practice of optimizing your website for your local consumer base. This is super helpful for businesses like restaurants that run brick and mortar storefronts. The first line of local SEO is making sure your website is 100% accurate in terms of your business address, contact information, and hours of operation. Be sure to engage with your reviewers, showing that you're a business who cares about your customers' experiences. Content marketing techniques. Curating a blog on your site is one of the best ways to land organic traffic. That organic traffic turns into a lead, which then turns into a customer. So what kind of content should you share? If you write explicitly about why your customer should choose your butcher shop, it seems inauthentic and doesn't really help the customer. Instead, you should assess your target customer base and write content that resonates with their wants and needs. Social media marketing techniques. Today's consumers don't want to feel sold to. They don't rely on a brand's reputation, and they're more willing to do their own research before buying. So, how do you market to this intelligent consumer? How do you get your brand out there without seeming like you're trying too hard? Answer: social media. It's a great way to engage customers on an even playing field so that they feel more comfortable with you. The key is to be active, engage your audience, and connect with influencers to help extend your reach. In 2018, digital marketing techniques have long replaced advertising as the key to driving new customers and retaining your current ones. Are you set up for success in today's digital marketplace? If not, get in touch with us to help us grow your business visibility. Visit our site today to learn more. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.